Hi, adventure girl. Is that the camera? You having a good adventure up here today?
No.
No. Uh-oh. You're stuck? You don't look that stuck to me.
Hi.
Hi. It's Zilly. We're at their little Brinley tree. Kanga. Is that your Kanga cat? Is that your Charlie cat?
No.
Oh, that's not your Charlie cat. What about Svetlana?
Nana.
Lana. We love Svetlana. We set up the cat trees differently. Brought a couple of the other trees upstairs. Achoo. Achoo.
No.
Wow. And Brinley's been adventuring. She is definitely a climber. Yeah, she's our little gymnast. She goes to gymnastics practice. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi, Brinley.
Hi.
Yeah. Are we going to show this to you someday when you're like 20? Maybe like, see? We knew she was going to be a gymnast all along. Yeah, it's close to bedtime. I'm surprised you're not getting cranky. You're stuck? I don't know about that. Oh, look at the hang. Whoa, she hung and then recovered. That was really impressive. No, yeah, you're close. You're almost there. You're really close. You just gotta look down and see where your feet are. This is a perilous adventure. Good job, Brinley. Yeah, I think there are a lot of people who would freak out and stuff like this, but this is she's using reasoning, spatial reasoning. Yeah. Good job, Brinley. Oh, you got your keys now? So she's ready to go. We're gonna start those driving lessons.